Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix Truist app not working. If your Truist app is not working, you could try with a basic fix like checking your internet, restarting your phone or closing the app as well. So you could go with the basic steps like you could go to settings and check network and internet, and after which you just want to go to the internet section and make sure to refresh or restart. That should also be able to help. Now on the other step, what you want to do is close the app completely and reopen. That means you just want to close the running app on the background, restart your phone, and that should also be able to help. If that's not the case, you could also try disabling any sort of VPN or proxy that you're using. That might be able to cause an issue as well. And you could also go ahead and check for an update. So open up your respective app store, type in Truist on the search bar, and make sure to update the app to the latest version. After updating the application, what you want to do is you could also go ahead and simply restart your device. So for that, you want to hold on to your side button and then restart your device, and at the same time reinstall your Truist mobile banking app. That should definitely help you out. So with that being said, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.